Hey folks, good morning. It's happening. We're going on Margaritaville at sea. I know. For those of you who have followed me for a long time, you know I've always said there's one ship I won't book you on, and that was the original Margaritaville Paradise. So what changed? The entire company, okay? The original ship was launched by Bahamas Paradise under license from Margaritaville at sea. We all know that didn't go very well. So Margaritaville stepped in, they bought out the company, they basically got rid of everybody, and they've been bringing in cruise industry veterans, plus they established strict brand standards to make sure the ships get as close to the land-based Margaritaville resorts as possible. And from everything that we've seen so far, the Margaritaville Islander is living up to that. They started a renovation on this ship around January 10th, and between then and about May 19th, she went through a series of wet and dry docks to fully renovate the ship. And from the early pictures we've been seeing, she looks amazing. I've gotten to know the Margaritaville team. They're right here in Orlando, and I've been really impressed with the feedback that they've been sending me on how this whole company is changing and evolving and what's in store for Margaritaville at sea down the line. And they've graciously invited Rebecca and I to come on board the preview sailing June 11th through the 13th, and we'll also be on the inaugural June 14th through the 18th. So we're gonna have 6 full nights on the ship. Yes, we'll be live. Yes, we'll be bringing you all kinds of content. Yes, I will be eating all of the food to see how it is on the ship. Now, some quick facts about the Margaritaville Islander. She can hold 2,650 passengers. Her crew is 897. She's got 12 passenger decks. There's 1,105 staterooms and suites. We've got 6 complimentary dining and 6 specialty dining venues on the ship, including sushi and the JWB Steakhouse. I mean, the ship is completely different than the original launch, and I love the attention to detail that they have put into this ship. So we're really excited not only to be going on the ship, but to bring you guys along. We're already talking about putting together some group cruises. This ship is going to be sailing 4- and 5-night sailing this year, and then they're introducing 6- and 7-night next year. I mean, come on, get a whole group of friends. We got Jimmy Buffett, we've got margaritas, we got flip-flops. On some of the itineraries, you got Key West. This could be a really, really fun cruise line, and I'm so impressed that they've taken everything that happened before and said, you know what, we're starting over and we're going to do it right. And it really looks like they got it right this time. So are you excited for the new Margaritaville? Are you shocked that we're going on the ship? I mean, we've already booked people on the ship. That's how confident we are in the new Margaritaville. So folks, if we can help you in any way with your Margaritaville sailings or any cruise sailings out there, just reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.